Okay, welcome to my first tutorial about implementing an isometric camera in 3D. Let's start by creating a node. Let's place it here, and we add the camera as a child. We set the coordinates. And the angle with a rotation of minus 45 degrees. The isometric camera is like 45 degrees. I prefer to use orthogonal. You can use the perspective projection like Divinity Original Sin does, but I prefer orthogonal. Now we can check here, and as you can see, there is nothing in the camera because we have to fix this. Okay, and size. Okay. 12 is okay, and the final step is to add this script. Okay. This script takes the input, the mouse and keyboard input, and rotates the camera or scroll the camera according, as you can see. Now let's see the results. And it is done. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.